Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not in my own space. So I've come on vacation, but I decided I'm going to make a video for you guys. So I brought all my new clothes. That's from the 25th of December, that is from Christmas onwards until now. And I'm going to do a huge clothing haul because I have tons of new clothes that I've bought and I just want to show all of them to you. And this will also be a try on haul, so I will be trying and showing you all those clothes and how they look on me. I will describe all the clothing items that I'm wearing in this haul down in the description box along with the price at which I bought them. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I bought, let's get started. So the first thing I got was this top. This is from Vero Moda. This is a top that says Santa I Can Explain, and I think that's super cute, and it's this beautiful burgundy color, fits right into my color palette. So the second thing I bought from Vero Moda is this gorgeous camel brown shirt. It's a button down shirt with concealed buttons and it's long sleeve. So the next thing is this gorgeous white H&M t-shirt. It says Babe You Got This, and it's just a plain basic white tee. Next is this amazing AC/DC t-shirt. This is also from H&M, but I bought this in a extra small or a small because I bought it from the guys section. It just has AC/DC and their logo right in the front, and then it has their logo and the number 73 at the back. Next is this really pretty skater skirt from H&M. It's just plain black with white leaves on it, and it's kind of short, but it also flares out a little bit. It doesn't have any pleats, which is what I really like because that flatters my body a little bit more. Next are these high-waisted shorts from H&M. They're this really pretty navy blue with gold buttons going down the sides. These buttons are real buttons, so you have to like button them down and button them up to actually get into the shorts. The next is one of my most favorite buys from the entire haul. It's this off-shoulder basic H&M t-shirt. My mom found this in Muscat in H&M, and I've been trying to look for it ever since in India, but I can't find it in any of their outlets. So if you guys know of any outlet that has these H&M off-shoulder basic t-shirts, then please let me know. The next thing is this H&M sweatshirt. It's really cute because it has all the different types of sushi on it, and it's full sleeve and completely white. So the next is this gorgeous white shirt. It's this really pretty shirt from H&M, and it has different kinds of flowers on it, and it's full sleeve, it's white, and it's a button-down shirt. This is another white t-shirt from H&M. It's just a plain simple white t-shirt, but I really like this rim at the bottom because it really reminds me of varsity jackets and varsity t-shirts. So the last thing I bought from H&M is my favorite. It's a big khaki bomber jacket. I'm obsessed with the color khaki. I love jackets like these. I bought this on sale just for 1,500. It has this gorgeous orange inside. It's khaki on the outside, and on the sleeves and on the rim it has this gorgeous gold zip detailing. It's really big and has those puffy sleeves which give you those Pillsbury Doughboy arms, but I really like it and I think it looks very flattering on a lot of women. So from Mango, I got this really cute t-shirt. It's just a plain simple white t-shirt. You can see a pattern. All my tops, t-shirts are very simple, basic and very everyday wear. This one has a really cute Frenchie on it, and it says My Favorite Puppy, which I love because I love dogs. From Forever 21, I first got this t-shirt. It's a really cool t-shirt that says Join My Squad, which I love because I love calling my friends part of my squad. Next, I spotted this in Forever 21 before I even got the sushi sweatshirt from H&M, and I really loved this at that time as well. So this is a plain white t-shirt with sushi print on it. Next is this really cool plain white t-shirt again, but it has black lightning bolts and the number 93 on it in yellow, and I really love that. I think it's really cool and it goes on even at the back. This is the last t-shirt I got from Forever 21. I love these kind of t-shirts that have like the block colors with the sleeves in a different color and the actual part of the t-shirt in the front and back in a different color. So this is black in the front and back, and it says Bright Lights Late Nights, which I really like, and it has like Los Angeles and New York City written down, and that's like my big American dream. So I love that, and I love these like white sleeves because they don't go all the way down to your wrists and they stop kind of here, and I think those are really flattering. So this is like a really cool pullover shrug kind of thing, and it's in this gorgeous muted grey. I really like the color, and it's short in the back, long in the front. It has full sleeves that come all the way down to your wrist. It has a very waterfallish effect in the front. Next, I got this really cool grey jacket from Forever 21. It has like these stitches on the front as well as the back, and I really like it. It's a bomber jacket and it has the elastic down, as well as nice long sleeves, and these sleeves are perfect for my arms because my arms are short and every time I buy bomber jackets the sleeves are too long, but these fit perfectly, which I really like. It also has like an accent grey zipper, which is really nice that it doesn't have like any bright metallic colors. So next I bought these joggers from Forever 21 and they're really nice long joggers with the elastic at the bottom. So on the sides of one of the legs it says "Together we can rule the galaxy" with a stormtrooper, which I really like because it matches a lot of my other Star Wars joggers that I have from Forever 21. It's plain simple black, it has a drawstring in front and currently has all my dog's hair on it. So the last thing I bought from Forever 21 clothing wise is this beautiful blush pink skirt. I love these kind of colors. They're so up my alley. It has a beautiful nice big elastic up front and that's really nice because it helps to kind of suck you in at the top. It's really cool because it's knitted and it goes straight down in stripes. So these are all the things I got from Koovs.com, and as you can see there's literally no other color except black and khaki. So we're just going to go through all of these one by one. First, I bought this really cool khaki t-shirt. It's a plain simple khaki green basic t-shirt. It has a really cool fit. It kind of hugs your body, and with the line down the center at the back, it really just pulls everything in and makes it all snug. I liked that t-shirt so much that I went and bought it in black. So black is my staple color. I wear black and darker colors all the time, and so I just bought this plain simple basic black t-shirt from Koovs. So going more fancy, I bought this top from Koovs. It's a really nice flowy top, but on top it has this really cool spaghetti straps that intertwine with each other and they go from the front to the back. The next thing I bought is this off-shoulder top from Koovs. It's also black and it has this off-shoulder elastic holding it together and even longer sleeves. These are not full-length sleeves, but they do come under your elbow. The fit is really nice on these. They fit really well. They do slide up a little bit, but that's okay. You can keep it down. You saw me wearing this in the video in which I tried on all my MAC lipsticks for y'all. The next thing I bought is also a black top. It's just a plain black top with a really high neck. It goes in the back and has this cage design. So it's actually cotton, but it has really cool satin paneling in the front in the shape of like triangles. So the last thing I bought from Koovs is this really cool bodysuit. So it's black down and khaki on top, and it has this really cool cage in the front and it goes all the way down. It has wiring to keep it like secure, and it has a very high neck, a zip all the way in the back that runs right from the bottom to the top, and a very cool like T-strap back. The next thing my boyfriend bought when he went on vacation to, where did he go? Prague. To Prague. He bought me these really cool jogger pants, and they're really comfortable because they have the elastic at the bottom. They're perfect for my legs because I have really short legs, arms, and I'm just technically short. So these fit me really well, and they have pockets. I couldn't ask for anything more. I have some serious obsession with camo print and like khaki things. So this is like a staple in my wardrobe and I love this so much. I love it that much that I've really not even worn it yet. The next thing they bought is this really cool like neck thing. So you're just supposed to like put it around your neck and like wear a jacket on top, and of course this is in khaki color. The first pair of shoes are really dirty because I've been wearing them all the time, but they are white pool sliders with like a holographic golden rainbow shifting thing on top. I instantly saw these and I love them because I thought like Christine, that's Simply Nailogical on YouTube, would like love these. And what would Christine do? Would she buy them or not? She would, so I bought them. The next pair of shoes are really simple pumps that my mom bought for me. They're in this beautiful like blush beige color and they're for my formal events, so they don't have like a really big heel, but they are really comfortable. I just found a new pair of favorite shoes and they are these shoes here. This is from H&M. This gorgeous like tan brown color. They have like a clasp that goes around your ankle. These beautiful gold studs, and I love the detail on that. The sole is really thick and they have a box heel which is so comfortable, and I can literally run a marathon in these shoes. The last pair of shoes that I bought are from Koovs. They are these flats right here. They are also a tan brown color, just like those last heels that I showed you. And they have like this clasp that goes around your ankle at the back and this beautiful chain gold detailing in the front. Another obsession of mine is large hoop earrings. I think the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoop. I love large hoop earrings, and these are from H&M. So my boyfriend bought these for me and they're really big. Like I can fit like my whole hand through it, but I'm really scared to do it because I'm going to yank my ear out. and because they're so cool, I even got them in gold. So I have them in gold and silver now. Now we'll move on to chokers. So I took a little bit of time to kind of jump on this bandwagon, but I finally did because peer pressure. So these are my chokers that I bought. Some of them are from Cooves and some are from Colaba Causeway, which have like some of the best chokers for the most affordable price that you can find. This one is from Cooves.com. This is a really cool just black dual choker. So it has like 2 straps here. And it has this gorgeous gold inverted triangle. The next choker is this one, which has like a gold bar in the front. That is the actual choker, and it attaches to this small chain which has this gorgeous gold circle underneath. So the next one is also a black choker, but it has this really cool black stud in the center and a dangling cone underneath. This one is one of my favorites. It's also a black choker. It has this really cool diamond looking stone in the center and also one that dangles down. The next 2 chokers are also from Cooves.com. It's this one which I haven't worn yet. So you just have to kind of wrap it around your neck how many ever times it fits, and it goes down and has these gorgeous angel wings at the bottom. Last and final one is this gorgeous golden choker. You've seen me wear it with that off-shoulder top from Cooves in my MAC Cosmetics lipstick swatch video. And it has these gorgeous floral designs that are cut out, and it's beautiful golden with the golden clasp on it as well. So my mom just came back from Muscat and she bought me this really cool crossbody. It's in this gorgeous camel brown color, once again some of my most favorite colors, and it has these beautiful tassels that just like move around in the front. It doesn't have them in the back, but that's okay. They look really pretty. It kind of seems small, but it has like a lot of space inside. The next thing I got are socks. I have like so many socks. I keep buying socks. All my socks are ankle length, and this one is from Stance. It's this beautiful black with a little bit of floral print, and it says life. The next pair I bought is this really cool mermaid pair socks. So it's this beautiful baby blue color with really pretty mermaids on that have like purple hair and stuff. So I thought that was really cute and I had to pick them up. Keeping with the theme of Christmas, when I actually did buy these, I bought these deer ones from Forever 21. They're also a pink color. It has this really cute like animated looking deer thing on it and small hearts and Christmas trees, and I thought that was really cute, so I picked those up. So my boyfriend's really smart and he knows I wear socks all the time. I wear socks to the gym, just when I'm lounging at home. I'm even wearing socks right now. Also, they have donuts on them. They're from Forever 21 in case you want to know. So he got me this like huge packet of socks that have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of socks. And the whites are obviously my favorite because I love wearing whites. But they also have some really cool colors like very vivid pinks, blues, purples, and some neon colors. Thank you so much to you guys for watching this video. I know that this stuff is new to me. I'm not sure if I even know how to do it right yet. But this is just what I bought, and I just wanted to show you guys what all I bought and how it looks on me. And I love if you guys can smash that thumbs up button so that I can do more fashion hauls like this, because I love clothes and I love accessories and I love shoes, so I love like just having an excuse to buy more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. I'd really appreciate it. You can also click on the bell icon and opt for post notifications. That way you know every time I post a video. If you want to see more fashion-like videos on my channel, then don't forget to tell me on my social medias. It's We Makeup Life on Instagram and Twitter, and @Tina Tengra on Snapchat. See you next time. Bye!